Click on the link below to get price. The Haltech IC7 7-inch color display dash kit is an exceptional piece of technology that enhances the driving experience for performance enthusiasts and motorsport participants alike. Designed with precision and versatility, the IC7 offers a customizable interface that allows users to monitor critical engine data in real time. With its high-resolution display, the dash provides clarity even in bright sunlight, ensuring that vital information is always visible. Installation is straightforward, with a user-friendly setup process that minimizes the need for extensive technical knowledge. The kit is designed to work seamlessly with various vehicle systems and can be integrated into different makes and models. One standout feature is the telemetry capability, which allows users to connect the dash to various sensors and modules, providing comprehensive feedback on performance metrics such as RPM, speed, oil pressure, and more. The IC7's graphical interface is fully customizable, enabling users to tailor the display to their preferences. The ability to choose from multiple gauge layouts and colors enhances personalization and allows drivers to focus on the information most relevant to their driving style. This flexibility is particularly beneficial during competitive racing, where quick access to key metrics can make a significant difference in performance. Another noteworthy aspect is its durability and weather resistance, which ensures that it can withstand harsh conditions often encountered in motorsport environments. The build quality is robust, giving users confidence that the device will perform reliably over time. Additionally, the option for data logging means users can track performance trends over time, making it easier to fine-tune their vehicles for optimal performance. In conclusion, the Haltech IC7 7-inch color display dash kit is a premium investment for anyone serious about enhancing their vehicle's performance and monitoring capabilities. With its advanced features, customizability, and durability, it stands out as an essential tool for both track and everyday driving, making it an excellent choice for automotive enthusiasts.